Now I have both a mechanics vise for metal and a woodworking vise for wood. But if you've only got the mechanics version, well, there is a way to convert it for wood. I'm planning to make wooden jaw covers that will be held in place with magnets. I'll start with 4 pieces of 1x2, about a foot long. These dimensions, though, can be whatever you like. My metal vise has 2 screws on each jaw. I want to mark the locations for my magnets so that they will not fall on the top of these screw heads. Using the drill press and a Forstner bit, I drill shallow holes that will house the magnets. It's important that the holes be just deep enough to allow the top surface of the magnet to sit flush with the wood jaw. Now I'm using CA, or instant dry cyanoacrylate glue, to secure the magnets in place. Hot melt glue would also work. Next, it's back to the drill press to bore clearance holes for the screws that will hold the 2 jaw pieces together. I drill countersinks so the screw heads will not protrude above the surrounding surface. I apply wood glue to the edge of one jaw part, set the second part in position, and attach them together with screws. The wood pads simply slip over the metal vise jaws and are held in place with the embedded magnets. Because they're attached, the wooden pads move as the vise jaws move. Vise pads like these are especially useful for securely holding wood or other soft materials without the risk of damage from the metal jaws. The enlarged clamping surface also improves holding power.